Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to recover a disabled Facebook ads account. Alright, let's begin. So, the first thing that you want to do is go to the notification where it says your account has been disabled. Over here, click on the link to request a review. After that, explain that you haven't broken the rules and that this is a mistake. Then wait for their response. After that, move on to contact Meta support. Over here, go to the Facebook ads platform and click on the question mark icon for help. Then you may see options like chat now or get support. After that, navigate through the system until you can contact Meta support. Once you get hold of someone, explain the situation and ask them to escalate the case for a manual review. Then, if you have a Meta Marketing Pro, get in touch with them as soon as possible. Over here, explain the situation and ask them to escalate the case to the internal review team for further review. So that's basically how you can recover a disabled Facebook ads account. And that's it for this video. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.